How to enter Employee Stock Purchase Plan (ESPP) cells in H&R Block software. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in hrblock.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of H&R Block. Now you have to head towards this login section. Provide your H&R Block account's credentials. Type in the username, email address or mobile number. I'm going to enter my email address. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of create an account and register for your H&R Block account. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in. Now over here, you'll need to type in your password. Once you type in, click on the option of sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your H&R Block account. Once logged in, access your tax return. Look for the section related to investment, typically labeled as investment income or similar. Within the investment section, you will need to add a new form or worksheet specially for reporting ESPP cells. The exact name of this form may vary depending on the version of H&R Block software you are using. Once you have added the appropriate form or worksheet, you will be prompted to enter information about your ESPP cells. This typically includes details such as the sale date, the number of shares sold, the purchase price, the selling price, and any associated fees or commissions. Now it will automatically calculate the gain or loss on your ESPP cells based on the information you have entered. Review the calculation to ensure accuracy. ESPP cells are typically reported on Schedule D of your tax return. H&R Block software should prompt you to transfer the information from your ESPP cells form or worksheet to Schedule D. Before you finalize your tax return, review all the entries related to your ESPP cells to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied that all information is accurate and complete, you can proceed to file your tax electronically through H&R Block software. By following these steps, you will be able to enter Employee Stock Purchase Plan sales in H&R Block software. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.